Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today is 2nd of October 2020 and I am Farhan Ali. So, 3 decades later, some 850 eyewitnesses, more than 7,000 photographs, videographs, and documents later, a court in India has found no guilty in erasing 16th century mosque in the holy city of Ayodhya. Yes, some 32 living, including the former premier L.K. Advani, was freed and easy to go. As the court found no one guilty and called this act of demolishing Babri Masjid as act by some unknown non-social people. So this is saddening. The BBC features a report today where they features an article and they stated that these times under the Modi, the Muslims in India are facing the worst since 1947's partition. So this is something we have been seeing over the period of time since the time when the Modi took over the government. Please remember कि जब कोरोना वायरस का आउटब्रेक हुआ था, just like any other country on the world map, they accused the Muslims. उनकी तबलीगी जमातों को उन्होंने एक्यूज़ किया कि दिल्ली में इन्होंने एक गैदरिंग रखी और वहाँ से कोरोना वायरस जो है आउटब्रेक हुआ. याद रहे कि इस पेंडेमिक के दौरान कई हिंदू गैदरिंग्स हुई हैं और हज़ारों की तादाद में हुई हैं, बट नो वन पॉइंटेड फिंगर एट देम एंड नो वन रिपोर्टेड देम. इसके अलावा जब ये सिटीज़न लॉ, जो कंट्रोवर्शियल सिटीज़न लॉ था इंडिया में, इसके दौरान मुस्लिम स्टूडेंट्स और एक्टिविस्ट्स को उठाया गया एंड दे वर इम्प्रिजन व्हाइल द हिंदू स्टूडेंट्स वर लिविंग फ्रीली. So Muslims in India, some more than 200 million Muslims are suffering under the rule of as Hindu biased government and RSS ideology. So now the world is looking at it and the news agencies like BBC are featuring the oppression that is created over the Muslims by the Modi. So this is saddening and we hope good things will happen to Muslims in India, inshallah. So before wrapping up our show today, there is a good news. A report has been released and it is stated that some 2.68 million people have visited the northern areas of KP after the lockdown was lifted. Certainly this was a good decision by Prime Minister Imran Khan and the government. Pakistan has alhamdulillah did good with the corona, to control the coronavirus spread. Yet there are things to be done and we would like to give a message to the people who are listening that please do continue to take care of yourselves and the people in the surroundings and enjoy the healthy activities. Travel to the northern areas while you can. Take care. Allah Hafiz.